To fold an origami paper crane, start by folding a square piece of paper in half vertically. Horizontally and diagonally, unfolding after each fold. Then, fold the top corners to the bottom and press the sides in so the paper is folded up in a small diamond. Next, grab the upper layer to the right side and fold the bottom edge to the center crease. Repeat this on the left side. Fold the top of the diamond down so the crease lies along the horizontal line created by the previous two triangles. Then, unfold the top corner and the previous two triangles to return to the small diamond shape you created. From there, fold the topmost layer of the bottom point all the way up so that the left and right flaps naturally fold in, creating a long, narrow diamond shape. Carefully crease and flatten the paper. Flip the paper over and repeat the process to create another long, skinny diamond. At this point, your paper should look like one tall, skinny diamond with two legs at the bottom. Next, grab the point on the upper layer of the right side and fold the bottom outside edges inwards toward the central side. Repeat on the left side. Fold the entire right flap over the central line, as if you were turning the page of a book. At this point, both flaps should be on the left-hand side. Turn the shaper over and repeat the process. Next, grab the upper layer of the bottom point and fold it up so the bottom tip touches the top points. Fold the right flap over to the left. Repeat on the other side. Then, fold wings down so you can just see the body. Finally, fold the tip of the head down and pull the wings out gently.